this shit. Look what we caught, fam. For the ones that don't know, this is my other brother. For the ones that don't know, that's the other brother. This motherfucker, I think, what are these, catfishes or sharks? These are sharks? This guy, my brother caught sharks? What? That's crazy. Guys, smash the thumbs up button for the sharks. Everybody destroy the thumbs up button. Everybody get the thumbs up button, destroy the thumbs up. This is content you will never see anywhere else. Only exclusive on Predator Catchers Alliance. Destroy the thumbs up button. But guys, are these too small? Do you think they should have let them back in the ocean? Are these baby sharks? Those are definitely bigger than 18 inches. The fuck did you catch? Yo, someone hops in the live stream, says, the fuck did you catch? Sharks. We caught sharks. Well, it wasn't me. It was my brother. My brother caught the sharks. He literally, I'm about to go get food. I'm leaving the house and I just find these sharks right in front of the house. That's crazy. Those are poisonous? Nah, I don't think they're poisonous. Why would they be poisonous? Yo, they're asking, why'd you kill a pregnant shark? Did you know it was...
I have x-ray vision? You think I knew it was pregnant?
Yo, he's saying he didn't know that she was pregnant, but at least he let the babies back in the ocean.
If I released her, she would have been dead. This is a bluefish. We fished the bluefish, we cut it up in pieces, and we used it as shark bait. And it worked out really well. This is a red robin.
If
it's very,
he was...
They all remind me of Ramys. Well, this is the uncle. That's my other brother. Just came off Alex's stream. Yo, TB Bullets, was Alex talking shit? Or did he finally stop? Rami, can we see your father? Nah.
If he was able to so-called release the babies back in the ocean, then you would know she's pregnant.
Barry, just for fucking trolling, you're getting banned. Let's get the hell out of my chat, bro. I know he stopped. Thank you for being honest, TB Bullets. Because me and him agreed that was it. We're squashing the beef. But yeah, good shit. Thank you guys for being on. Yo, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one.
Oh my God, بص عندها جناحات.
Holy
افتح الشولدر كده
moly.
بتاعها.
You can't consume shark meat? Are you all trying to sell parts or something? Yo, is that true? Yo, my brother says you can consume shark meat if you know how to cook it. Shout out to Christian Prince with the $2 donation. What kind of sharks, my guy? What kind of sharks?
These are sandbar sharks. So some people fish for sharks and they use their fin.
Here, talk to them. Shambark sharks. Talk to the chat. Talk to the chat, guys. Talk to him. This is the one time you guys will ever get to talk to this brother. Oh, he's busy right now. Fuck it. He's busy.
ده شكله غالي ده. صورني يا رامي مع السمك.
Bro, I'm live right now. So what I can say when I'm live?
صورني في اللايف.
Ram, you been to Tom's River? Yeah, I've been there. Yo, give me the lighter. Give me the lighter. Faris, give me the lighter, bro. I've been to Tom's River, yeah. Laughing my ass up, bro. You're lit, not gonna lie. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. You already know how we rocking out here. Destroy the thumbs up button. Destroy the fucking thumbs up button because you never get this kind of content anywhere known to mankind. Destroy. We're not. Yo, we're literally a predator catching channel and we catch sharks too. Like, it does not get better than that. Yo, you should have told me, bro. We could have brought the live stream on board. You should have fucking told me you were gonna catch sharks. That's crazy. That's insane, guys. Look. Yeah, bro. The exterior is weird. It has like a weird fucking feeling. Look at that. That's bananas. Shark Catchers Alliance. Imagine. Guys, destroy the thumbs up button for your boy. Destroy the thumbs up button for me. Guys, get them likes up. Look, my dad holding me all excited with the shark trying to take a picture. But yeah, for the ones that wanted to know what the other brother looked like, that's the other brother. I got two brothers. The normal cameraman, the one that you guys know, and then this is the second brother. I'm the oldest, he's the middle. The third brother that you guys know is the youngest. Just so you guys know. Say salam to Abu Karim بيقول لك سلامك yes. Why y'all trying to catch sharks though?
That wasn't the plan.
Well, my fans are asking why you guys were trying to catch sharks.
Because
You went for bass?
Those are the ones that bit.
because we only like the minister, you know? We don't like,
You're
the weak
so
fish.
whack. You're so whack, bro. You're so whack. Yo, apparently they were trying to catch bass, and they ended up catching some bass and then sharks too. It's not animal cruel. How's it animal cruelty? People eat sharks all the time. You understand it's legal to eat fish sharks if they're 18 inches or more. You know that, right? Those sharks are at least 30 inches each. Job. At least 30 inches. Show the thumbs up button, guys. Get them likes up. Get them likes up, guys. رامي الحين انت رايح الأيمان اليمن what? Sorry, what are you trying to say, spiritual? I know you're asking me if I'm heading where, but I don't know what the question is. Shout out to Zerp with the $5 donation. Yo, Rami, how does the shark taste, my guy? I didn't try it yet. I honestly I don't know. I've never tasted a shark in my life.
You can either make shark soup using the fins, or you can make the meat. The problem is that the meat is super stiff, so you have to be able to cook it right.
Yeah, whatever he said. Whatever he said, guys.
This was Sandy Hook. We never caught shark. It was always baby shark because it was by Belmont or Bradley. But so was Sandy Hook. I heard so many stories about it. We had to go.
1,000 people?
From now on, we're going there every time.
Just 178. Just because I literally titled it something about catching sharks. So nobody really.
After I became a fisher,
Nobody really cares. Plus, I took a 2-week hiatus off of YouTube. So I'm building. Yeah, like I'm posting a video back tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start building my momentum back up on the channel. Nah, bro. For the ones asking, I'm Egyptian. 100% Egyptian.
Are you sure?
Your brother is a bodybuilder, LOL. He models. He's not a bodybuilder, but he models.
Right now? Yeah.
Yo. They want to see you flex. Could you flex? Flex your tries. Flex for the. There you go, guys. He's not a bodybuilder, but he does model. Yeah, right. Yemen. Oh, you're trying to say Yemen. You should go to Yemen. You said Egypt was dangerous because they don't like getting exposed. Well, Yemen is the same thing. It's worse. I was just playing with you. Oh, nah. I'm gonna go to Egypt. We'll catch some pedos in Egypt and then Dubai. You want me to cut it for you?
Well, but wait. It's gonna make a huge mess.
Yo, BB wants to know what your Insta is.
AMRR57.
AMRR57 is his Instagram, for the ones that are asking.
The shortest knife you have.
Yo, so you're gonna get, some of my fans are gonna follow you. AM, what?
RR.
Yeah?
AMRR57.
If you guys want to see his modeling pics and shit, that's his Instagram. There you go. Look, they're all typing it in the chat. You're gonna get a bunch of fucking followers. I got you, nigga. I got you, my guy. Yo, we caught a predator. I caught a predator today, guys.